Academic, Maths, Nursery 4 Plus, page 18. Dear children, today we will read about number 6. Say aloud and trace with fingertips. Starting from the given point, follow the given pattern. Now say aloud 6, 6, 6. What do you see on this page? Yes, you are right. 6 butterflies. That's good. STEAM activity. Go outside and collect 6 different types of leaves, flowers, or rocks. You may ask your teacher to lead you to the school lawn to complete this interesting activity. Be careful to avoid thorns while you are collecting leaves, rocks, and flowers. Think and tell. How many eggs are there in half dozen? Let me tell you an interesting fact. 1 dozen means 12. The half of 12 is 6. So the correct answer will be 6. Dear teachers, make the children learn tracing, speaking, and writing the numeral 6. Tell them about the objects that are naturally found as 6 entities, 6 sides of a dice, etc. Help them with STEAM activity. Use sand tray to trace the numeral 6 and practice accordingly. Have a nice day.